Hey friends, it's Sonia with Junk Monkey Paint Company. I hope this vlog finds you well today. Stanley's doing good. We are all doing good here, waking up to some beautiful sunshine, no snow out there, a little chilly, but man, I will take that vitamin D. So, having my coffee this morning, I gotta tell you, I've been trying a few new things since this whole stay-at-home thing has been happening around the world, and I'm trying honey on my toast. So, pretty much my morning routine now is to make myself some coffee and put honey on my peanut butter toast. Who out there has also tried it and is loving it? And the other thing I'm doing is yoga. So honey and yoga, definitely two things that are new for me during this period of time. I hurt my back over the last couple weeks, and being at home trying to figure out, get some relief. Matt actually told me I should try some yoga, and I did. I went to YouTube, found some great little sessions that I could do at home. Don't judge me though. When I do yoga, I do wear mismatched socks. Hey, we're all just a hot mess, all right? Just some of us hide it a little bit better than others. So just to catch you guys up to speed, in the last vlog, we painted this stand here white. The other night I did go on Facebook Live and we distressed it a little bit with a sand block. You just saw me do that. And I also showed you guys how to create a dark wax. So right now I have sealed the piece behind me with our Monkey Shine Clear All Natural Oil Wax Finish. And then I take a little bit of it and I mix in a little bit of our milk paint. In this case I use black soot. And I mixed it up together. You saw me do that in that bowl. And now what I'm doing is just finding some parts that I want to darken. And in this case, I want to darken a lot of this piece because I think it will look really, really cool for that soft antique look that I'm going for. Okay, we don't leave it like that. We grab a wax buffing cloth. Now I'm working my way all over, softening up all that black wax, and it rubs into the piece. The rest of it rubs off into my cloth, and I'm left with an antiqued look. Now here's the other tip I gave, that you can again take your clear wax and use it just like an eraser. So if there's parts that you feel like you have too much antiquing going on, just take your clear wax again, rub it over with your wax brush on top of that area. It will loosen up the antiquing that you did and allow you to again to manipulate it. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm softening up still some of those antiqued edges, getting them just the way I like. So I'm putting the knobs on here, and I still have the two sides to finish up just yet, and I'm working on those tonight as I speak as well. But here's where we are so far. Here's the front. What do you guys think of it? When I'm not working on my furniture projects or projects around the house, one other thing that's really helped me just keep sane and also keep in a happy space is taking time to get outside and just breathe some fresh air. So today, me and Matt took a walk down to the park that's near our neighborhood here. It felt so good to get out. And fun fact, Titusville, where I live, is the birthplace of the oil industry. Did you guys know that? This is the trail that we ride our bikes on a lot here behind our house. And it's all uphill grade. Do you remember biking up here?
The first couple of times?
Yeah.
After not biking for years?
Yeah, it was torture.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, I would put the bike in the, I guess it will be the lowest gear, right?
If you would have caught us like 2 years ago.
Stand up, yeah.
If you would have caught us 2 years ago when we were really working out, this would have been nothing. But after like 2 years not working out.
Yeah, you just lose it.
Yeah.
I'm doing yoga right now and realizing how non-flexible I really am.
Yeah,
That's a cool tree right there.
You can donate my body to science fiction right now.
Wow, look how nice this is. You see the green coming up? Love it. Maybe it's just my sunglasses. No, I'm taking my sunglasses off and it's still looking really cool and bright and greenery. There's some people coming the other way on the trail. I think everybody's just trying to get some vitamin D and feel good right now. It's eggs?
Yeah, look.
Really?
You see all of them? Those are all
They just
those
look
globs.
like, they look like big rocks.
Yeah, see that one there?
Yeah.
Well, the problem is they got dirt on top of it. So
Well, that's probably a good thing though, right?
Yeah,
They're camouflaging. Yeah. It's spring, it's baby season.
Hey, look at this one here. This one over here, the real white ones didn't make it. They got frozen.
Oh, no way.
See? Look at that big old.
Is that a bunch of...
Yeah,
Really?
see? Yeah. See, unfortunately, those ones got too cold.
The white ones froze?
Yeah, we always say they froze, but they just get too cold, right?
Didn't make it.
Mm-hmm. You see the little, like, burgundy thing beside
Jack and the pulpit?
Jack in the pulpit.
In the pulpit.
Yeah. You see that little, like...
Oh, I do. I do.
You know what I'm talking about now, right?
Oh, yes, yes. I thought that was skunk cabbage.
This is skunk cabbage, right?
Okay.
There's Jack inside. That's
What?
Jack in the pulpit.
And what does Jack look like? I can't see him across the river
He
here.
looks kind of like a little deformed pineapple. Every spring, I pick
Skunk cabbage?
skunk cabbage
No, you do.
just to smell it, make sure it still stinks.
No, it does smell
Yeah.
awful.
But when it's young, you can eat it. You can boil it and eat it.
Oh my gosh.
Nice.
There is beauty everywhere if you choose to see it. Look at those pretty white flowers that I found today on our walk. Aren't those gorgeous? If you choose to see the beauty, it is there, just taking a moment and looking around and listening. Oh, the beauty of nature. And every time we go out, we always find something interesting to see or to talk about. Like those frog eggs, like at least we think they were from a frog. Tell me if you're watching and you actually think it's from like a salamander or something like that. If you know otherwise, be sure to leave it in the comments below. But you know, it was cool to get out, have some great conversation, and just switch the chatter in your brain and enjoy nature for just a few moments. And boy, that sunshine sure felt good. When I got home, it gave me an extra boost of energy, and I decided to bake some cookies. Yes, with the little help of the Pillsbury Doughboy there. So I wish I could say they were homemade, but they weren't, but they were still delicious. I love those kind of cookies, the ones that are very easy to grab and go. Matt was in the background. He was getting the puppies ready. He was going to take them out for a walk around the neighborhood to stretch their legs. And so I'm here just baking some cookies. What kinds of foods have you guys been eating while you're at home? More these days. Matt made a delicious meal the other night. He did country fried chicken steak, mashed potatoes, and corn on the cob. It was delicious. We haven't had this in so long, and I swear we're pulling out recipes that, you know, things that we haven't gotten to in a long time and just enjoying the food. Oh, these cookies were amazing. It even made my son come down out of his room. So that's gotta be saying something. You know what I'm saying, all the moms out there? All right, guys, I'll see you tomorrow because I'm off to have a nice, tall, cold glass of milk and my chocolate chip cookies. See you then. Bye.